tour takes less than 3.5 hours. Given it's still early, let's catch up with some really old friends at the giant tortoise breeding center. You can either burn some more calories with a 30 minutes walk from the town, or take a $1.50 taxi there. We're here at another tortoise breeding center. I strongly recommend you come and see this one because it's partially funded by USAID, which means my American friends, you are paying for it. You get to see smaller ones which they are breeding, as well as full-grown sized tortoises. Sadly, there have been some tortoise theft, and the reality is they are hot in the black market. So with that being said, let's go and check this place out. The center is home to the last remainder of Cerro Paloma tortoise, 4 males and 2 females. That's why the breeding center dedicated itself to get them to do more than a casual hookup without the use of modern app like Tinder, all for the purpose of increasing and stabilizing the population of this endangered species. The center also cares for more than 300 other Australian tortoises. So they might be slow, but they will never get old. Right beside the tortoise breeding center, there's this trail right here, and what they say is it will lead you to a flamingo lagoon. So I'm gonna go and check this out. I hope it's impressive. Along the flat boardwalk to Puerto Vermillo, you'll enjoy many wetlands along the peace and calm. Although one of the lagoon is called Flamingo Lagoon, this poor soul is all by himself or herself. Perhaps it's time for him to sign up for plenty of fish. By the way, please stay away from the poisons